Hello everyone, this is task 6 tutorial video activity. In this moment I am in step 5, the tutorial video where you show yourself explaining the characteristics of the chosen symbols by Elvis Tavares. The symbols I have chosen are the following. The first one is the sound, as in think, thigh, thought, and think. To make the sound, place the tip of your tongue between your upper and lower teeth. Push air out your mouth between your tongue and your teeth. You should feel some friction resistance. Do not vibrate your vocal cords. Something like it's important to go beyond single words when you practice sounds in English. Tongue twisters, for example, difficult to pronounce sentences, are a great way to train your tongue to pronounce in a stream of speech. Example: take a fifth bath and do some math. The voicing is voiceless. Place of articulation is dental. The manner of articulation fricative. And the position of the soft palate is oral. Now let's go to the second sound, but before I am going to show you an exercise you can do to practice the sound. Write and record your voice using Vocabulary.com, pronouncing 3 words per possible positioning. Word initial as in think, word medial as in author, and word final as in path. You can look for those kind of words. Now I can go to the second sound, that is the k sound, as in king, car, key, and coat. To make the k sound, push the tongue forward so the middle curls up and touches the top of your mouth and blocks air flow. At the same time, create some air pressure by gently trying to breathe out. The k sound is made through the mouth and it is unvoiced, which means that you don't use your vocal cords to make the sound. An example would be, the cute cat can have cake. The voicing, this sound is voiceless because you don't use the vocal cords. Place of articulation is velar. The manner of articulation is plosive, and the position of the soft palate is oral. An exercise to practice this sound could be, write and record your voice using Vocabulary.com, pronouncing 3 words per possible positioning. Word initial as in catch, word medial as in baker, and word final as in back. Can you guess some words? Now let's go to the third and final sound I have chosen. The j sound. J, j, as in jeep, jester, jump, and just. To make the j sound, your tongue should touch the tooth ridge to stop air. Then move your tongue behind the tooth ridge to release air. This sound is produced with a voice from the throat. An example: I jumped just before the jar was dropped. We can see here that this sound is voiced because we can use the vocal cords. The place of articulation is plato-alveolar, and the manner of articulation is affricate. The position of the soft palate is oral. An exercise to practice this sound could be the following. Write and record your voice using Vocabulary.com, pronouncing 3 words per possible positioning. word initial, as in jerk, word medial intervocalic, as in argent, word medial consonant preceding, as in danger, word final intervocalic, as in large, and word final consonant preceding, as in change. I hope you can find this exercise helpful for you because pronouncing the second language is very important. Thank you very much. This was Elvis Tavares and have a nice evening.